for bronzer, I have been really enjoying the one by a Makeup by Mario. This is the Soft Sculpt bronzer. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is such a soft formula. I have this one in the shade a light medium, but it's just gorgeous. Like, it is so soft right now as I'm putting my finger in it. Oh my goodness. That's the shade right there. I am wearing it today. It's such a beautiful formula. Like, it's buildable. It's one of those bronzers that it's almost like you can't put too much on. It doesn't ever look like orange or muddy looking. A very lightweight powder. Gives me the appearance of like a really nice natural looking bronzed skin. It's not all powdery like, you know, with other bronzers. I'll just show you, like with other bronzers you can go like this and there's like a bunch of like a powder like residue there, but this one, like there's no residue, which is nice because you don't feel like you're wasting a bunch of product. It comes in, I believe, 6 shades, and it's like a flat matte type of bronzer. It doesn't have any sparkle in it, any shimmery, anything like that to accentuate any of your lines. And I would say that this would be a great bronzer if you're just starting out with some bronzer. I think it's a good starting point for beginners because it's almost like a no-fail bronzer. So really enjoying this one. And like I said, I always love his packaging. It has that magnetic kind of packaging. Now, I have been trying a bunch of like cream type of blushes and that sort of thing, but I thought the one that I've been using like a lot lately is Physicians Formula, and it's the Butter Blush. I have this in Mauvy Mattes. This is such a beautiful little blush. I can use it in 2 different ways. So if you can see that there's almost like darker shades down here and then lighter ones up here. So depending on what kind of look I want to do for the day. Today I use more of these dark shades, and that's what I have on my cheeks today. I mean, like seriously, I just like even the embossing on it is just gorgeous. The smell, it doesn't actually have that traditional Physicians Formula kind of coconutty smell. This one's quite different. It's like a more of a sweeter candy smell, but I mean, I don't mind it. I personally like that. And for such a cute little compact, it actually has like a little mirror. It has a little brush. I mean, I would never use the brush myself, but if, you know, maybe you do want to use it. And I like how little it is. It's just this cute little, like it's almost like a little travel size. You can just drop it in your travel bag or whatever and take it with you. Very pigmented. I don't put a lot on my brush. I just kind of stipple my brush in there a little bit, and then just the color payoff is fantastic. Doesn't fade like throughout the day. Stays true to, like, from when I put it on to when I take it off, it stays true. I think this is one of the better blushes that I've tried because it just has that really buttery formula. So I absolutely love this little blush. And then I really had to think about highlighter because I'm a bit of a highlighter junkie. Love my highlighters. So I had to throw this one in here because it is just like the best highlighter I've tried in months and months. No surprise again. It's the Burt's Bees, the Luminizer. Oh, there's just something about this highlighter. It comes in like a little squeezy tube. And what I like about this is you don't need a lot of it. Like, I mean, the tube isn't like a huge size. It's a 13.3 mils. That is how much you'll need to do your cheeks, do your nose, like your Cupid's bow. You don't need a lot. Like, it's just a drop. But look at how beautiful the shade is. Like, look at that. It's like a rose gold. Now, that is the only color I can get at the store here. So I don't know if it's just like Canada that I can only get this color. I think that there is other shades available. But look at that, you guys. Like, isn't that just, it's just gorgeous. I love it. And that's, again, I have it on my cheeks today. Such a fantastic product. Again, stays on. It's just that nice creamy liquid, doesn't settle into my fine lines, and stays true throughout the day. So absolutely love this product. Now, over the past few months, I did try a new lip liner. I wanted to try get something other than, I have my NYX, my retractable nude one. That is like my holy grail pen lip liner. I wanted to try something else, something that has the staying power, is a really nice like a shade. I like those nude shades, and I did come across this one here. It's the Milani Understatement lip liner. This one I have in the shade Nude Entrance. But I love nude shades because they'll pretty much go with a lot of neutral kind of lips, like nude type of lipsticks. Again, I love that it's retractable. That's kind of like my favorite thing. I'm not a big pencil person where you gotta sharpen it. I like something that's retractable. And the pigment on this is like fantastic. When I line my lips, I always fill in my whole lip. And this one is a great shade if you want to just have your lip liner on and then just maybe throw on some gloss. This is a great shade, and it lasts like throughout the day. It's quite amazing, actually. Very, very pigmented. And it's one of those ones that the pencil is very soft and it just kind of like glides on, and it really helps with if you have any issues with like feathering, if your lip color kind of bleeds out, this is a fantastic product that it's going to help that feathering. Okay, so sorry guys, this is another area where I'm going to cheat a little bit because I'm going to put it into two categories. So it's really hard to pin down and compare like a liquid lipstick and like a bullet lipstick, because I think that they're two different things. There's people that you either like liquid lipsticks or you don't, or you like bullet lipsticks or you don't. I like both. I like, depending on the formulation of the product, liquid lipsticks, if you find the right formula where they're not drying at all and last all day, I love those. And then bullet lipsticks, the same thing. If I can find a bullet lipstick that will actually stay on my lips and not fade after like 5 seconds, love that type of lipstick. So the first ones I'm going to show you are a liquid lipstick. And how I chose these ones was, what do I have the most of? Where, like, if I see a new shade of a new lipstick out, and I just go and I grab it. If I see it in the drugstore, I'm like, I need to have that lipstick right now, so I grab it. So the one brand that I have a lot of is the NYX, the Shine Loud brand. So you see, and you can see the shades are, you know, I have a little bit of a issue there. Like, they're all kind of in that same category. I just picked up a new one. This one I just picked up. It's the shade Fierce Flirt. And as soon as I saw this, I went, I have to have that. That is the cutest shade. But all of these are pigmented. But what I love about them is the applicator is so precise. So when you go to like line, you don't even need a lip liner with these. When you go to line your lips, that precise tip is just fantastic. It really gets into those areas of your lips. So that's the lip color. A trick for this is when you put it on, don't rub your lips together. Let it dry naturally. Like, don't go like that. I find with this, whatever the formula is on it, I find it gets kind of gummy if you do that. So just let the lips, don't let them touch. Don't, just kind of like that. I'm going to say like 30 seconds. Let it dry. Then go in with the gloss. So on the other end of the lip product is the gloss. So it is such a wonderful glossy product. Will stay on for several hours without, you know, kind of diminishing. And I love them for different times. Like the pink ones I like kind of wearing in the springtime. This one, these two here, I like wearing in the fall. And then I thought this was going to be a really pretty shade for the fall coming up. And then for bullet lipsticks, I've had these on my channel lots. Sorry. And you'll see I have another little obsession. So these are the Milani Color Fetish Matte Lipsticks. Now don't be scared when I say matte, because yes, they are matte, but they don't look drying. They don't look, oh, sorry, that was the other thing I forgot to say about these, the NYX ones, is they are not drying. Like, even if you don't put the gloss on my lips, like, these are not drying at all. You know, sometimes you get that, you know, like from the Sahara Desert, that kind of dryness. These are not like that at all. Same thing with these ones here. They are not, even though they're a matte, they're not drying at all. This shade in particular that I'm wearing today is Tease. So I'm wearing Tease today, which is a nice nude. It's a nice nude shade. But like the packaging is super cute. Love the packaging. They're a great price point. They're like very, very pigmented. Last like a good amount of the day. These aren't like a regular bullet lipstick. These last so long. I don't really have to reapply throughout the day. Very creamy, has a like a great shade range, all sorts of shades. One of my favorites, I love this red. Oh my goodness, it looks beautiful. And what's nice about these is I don't think it matters really what shade. They've developed them that they will match most skin tones, which I really like it when companies do that. And you don't even need a lot of this. Like what I find is I just have to take, like I just put it on my lip, and it's almost like a one and done kind of thing. You just have to put like one stroke and you're good. And what the other bonus with these is they contain hyaluronic acid, so they are going to kind of give you like a really smooth, like a kind of like a, I'm not going to say like a plumping effect, but hyaluronic acid naturally plumps anyhow. So these just are beautiful. They really leave my lips like really super soft. And if I'm not mistaken, I think these were one of those like TikTok kind of lipsticks that kind of everybody went bananas over this. Now, a couple of products to complete the lips. One is a lip gloss. So the gloss that I've really been enjoying lately is the L'Oreal Lip and Balm Gloss. I have this one in the shade 30 Pristine Pink, and there's several different shades. What I like about this is it leaves a little bit of color payoff. So it's not like a totally clear, glossy look. It has a little bit of color to it. This one also has hyaluronic acid in it. And I like it because they're not like a sticky gloss, like a traditional sticky gloss. So that's the shade right there. Just a beautiful hint of a color. This was really nice. Like I've been enjoying this in the summertime a lot because there's just times I don't want to wear like a lipstick or anything like that. I just want to throw something on and get out the door. So this was perfect for that. And I liked how there was such a shade range. So if you wanted just a little bit of a hint of color, this was beautiful, just a beautiful pink shade that I liked. And I just like that glossy kind of look that I don't have to do there's not a lot of effort putting into the lips. Now this product here, I didn't know whether to really categorize this because it's not a lipstick. It's not even like a lip balm, really. It's kind of a product of its own. It's the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. This is such a unique product. So what I did today, which I think I love this color combination, is between the lip liner, the lipstick, and then this lip plump. That's what I put on my lips today. And I love how each shade just kind of complemented each other. And I guess the best way to describe this product is it's a lip balm, a lip gloss, a little bit of a treatment, and then a lip plumper. So when I put it on, so the first thing that you do is it has like a little mechanism on the bottom here that you push up. So it pushes the product up. And then when you put it on your lips, they just look so juicy. Now the plumping sensation that it has is just a very cooling sensation. It's not like that stinging kind of product. I don't like those. This is just a really nice cooling sensation and doesn't have that like makes it feel uncomfortable. Like it's not like that at all. Now I have heard some people say that this little clicker mechanism breaks, but so far I haven't had any issues with it. So I don't know if there was just like maybe some faulty packaging, but so far mine's working. I have this one in the shade Peachy Beige, and I do want to get a couple of other different shades, but I just like how juicy my lips look, and they last for they look juicy for quite a while. Absolutely been loving this product, and like I said, it's such a combination of different types of things that it was hard to I just wanted to put it in its own little category. And then for setting sprays, the one that I've been using a lot of lately, and I just can't get enough of it. I think it does a great job, and it's an affordable drugstore brand. It's the e.l.f. the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. I love this stuff. Like it really, I have it on today. I think it really helps my makeup like last longer throughout the day. Really helps everything kind of stay in place. Love the scent. It has more of a, I mean, I hold it out a little ways so that I'm not getting that like direct spray. It's not one of those ones like nails you right in the face, you know, like you're like right in the face. It does disperse it, and then what I do is after I spray it on, I just get my sponge and I just kind of pat in the spray. But yeah, this is just one of those great ones that I think is just like a great affordable setting spray. Now, if you are still here, if you're still watching this video, then I want you guys to do me a favor. Down in the comments below, please let me know whether you would like to see a similar type of video, but more on the skincare side. Like, what are my favorite products right now for skincare? And I mean, I could probably, like, I know I can do a whole video on that because there's so many products that I love right now. So like I said, drop me down a comment below. Let me know whether that's something you would like to see, and then I can certainly do that for you, because it would have been too much to try and do makeup and skincare. But I just want to only make videos if you guys are interested. So like I said, leave me a line. Let me know. Say, yeah, I would love to see a skincare video on your #1 products. So if you're still here and you're not already, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell right beside the subscribe button, and that way you're notified whenever I upload new videos. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That also helps my channel out a lot. All the products will be linked and listed below down in my description box. And if you ever do use any of my affiliate links, I thank you so much for helping to support my channel. That really means a lot to me. Don't forget, you can always follow me over on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I have all of those as well. And as always, I hope everybody has a great week and a great life. And I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.